My friend, good afternoon to all of you, my friend. Another day, another vlogs in my live stream, daily vlogs of rooster breeding. It's all about rooster care, viewing my roosters. Everything in our daily vlogs is up here, my friend. So I will share something and improve and view my roosters from this kind of hours, my friend. And before all of that, my friend, let's do the intro thing, my friend. Go my friend, GPC Backyard again, another day, another vlog. This is all about rooster care, chicken updates, rooster updates, and backyard breeding. I'm a breeder. Yes. I'm a rooster care. I'm a raiser of a healthy roosters, my friend. Everything that I do is for my roosters, improvements in their health, my friend. So after taking a bath of this one, my friend, I will show you now their situation, my friend. Wow. I'll show you, my friend, updates and viewings of my broodcock, my friend. So broodcock are roosters that are used in breeding, wow, my friend. In breeding, if you want to do the breeding, you want to have more roosters and hens and chickens, my friend. They are the father, they are the most, the most used, my friend. They are the, the best of the best, my friend. High station roosters, big body, personal banded, my friend. They are the most in the first class, the most, the most in the most, my friend. Damn! They are the best of my, this is where all of my rooster came from, using this kind of broodcock. If you say broodcock, my friend, it is the roosters that use of all the breeds, my friend. So this is the product. He's hiding on the, what is that, my friend? My friend. So this is the other one. This is the son, and 2 years old almost, my friend. They are the 2 years old son of this one, my friend. So all the whites, my friend, the father of all my whites and spangled white, my friend, is this, my friend. This is the father. They are almost gonna reach 5 years old, my friend. They are the one that was been my baseline, my friend. If I say baseline, they are the most important roosters of my yard, my friend. They are the broodcocks. They must not be disappear. So they are the most cared for me, my friend. I almost always hide them, in their rooster house. They have this kind of a big rooster house, my friend, for them to move freely. But now they are changing feather, my friend. They are molting. Most of the roosters that are changing of feathers are like this. You see his neck? I'll show you his neck. See? His neck is changing from head to his neck. He's almost 5 years old, my friend. He is the fifth, my friend. This is the second. This is the second. This is the fifth. This is the third. The first. Here's the first, my friend. Here's the first, and here's the fourth. See? They all look the same, my friend, but I know them, my friend, for almost 4 years of taking care of them. They're the one that for me never get sick, because they are 100% healthy, my friend. They are so big body. They are so being cared. I used to, when I was starting rooster care, raising rooster, my friend, they are the first one for me. I am the one who bring them to the hatchery from egg up to them their age now for almost 5 years. They've been with me, my friend. They are the most important roosters of mine. They are very so loved, my friend, from me. So they're kind of old, my friend. They move slow, but I know I already know their the distinction. They have this different kind of behaviors. For example, this one. Among them, he's the one who learned how to mate, my friend. So I call him Maniaco. And then this one, That one. This one is the most kind among them. See, I call him panganay. She's the first. She used to fly on my shoulder when he wants food, my friend. Whenever I let him go, he fly on my shoulder. She is my first chicks. When he was little, he's always very kind to me, my friend. He always come near me, This is the panganay, we call it panganay. His feather, my friend, is in the outside it's white, but if you touch him, check him inside, it's white. You see, you can see a little white on him because the under part of this feather is white. He's a kind of a fake news, my friend. He can fake. He's red outside but in the inside he's white, my friend. So this one is the most he's always snapper since his childhood. He's always been snapper. He's the big brother of this 5, my friend. So this one is the youngest, my friend. The youngest one, he's the most tallest, my friend.
Oh yes.
He's the only one among these 4 that has no white stream, my friend. But he's the tallest, my friend. See his the scales on his feet. He's so it's not I used to put BB oil on that so that it will shine, but nothing if they are really old, all the things on him are old, my friend. The skins, the looks, the feathers, my friend. So I want them to stay with me. I want to take care of them as long as I'm here for them. So this one is the 3rd. When I bring hen, others don't know how to mate, they used not to to dance with each other. They are so friendly because I trained them to be friendly, my friend. I used to always hold them, I thought it can be treated like that, but when they learn how to crow, they started snapping each other, so I always separated them already. It used to be 6, but because of the trust and I don't know how the knowledge of I have when I was starting. I don't know. I thought they can be teach to be kind to each other, but roosters and game birds with this kind of lines, whatever you want them to train them, my friend, to be kind, they will never be kind to each other. So where's that one, Mr. Fort? That's the one who unalive the other one. So it used to be 5 red and white and 1 spangled. So it's been a lesson for me. It's been a lesson. That's why no one can tell me, I always scored them because I love that one, that red one. I used to get so sad about it. I just bought food outside. I do a bike. When I got home, this one unalive his brother, my friend. He used to be he's so down again. He has he's also damaged. They hurt each other. I thought he cannot survive, but it's a lesson for me that rooster game birds rooster I really not designed to be free. So it's just 15 minutes I go off in my house. You know what happened? The other one, he knows how to open the gate. The one, this one. He knows how to open, my friend. Inherit of the other one. That's in my old house, my friend. It happens in my old house. So just a sad part, my friend. That's a sad part for me. So it was a lesson learned. I need to cord them very very tight, very in order for them to be safe, more safe than I expected. Whatever I do to train them very kind, whatever I always they are game birds, my friend. They are really a game birds, my friend. They used to they have this kind of behavior. It's in them, it's in their blood, my friend. So in order to maintain them, or keep them safe, keep them mind, stay them longer. You never like this. You need to be properly separated them by fence, and then put hollow blocks, the heavy one on the pot, because if they like to swing and swing, things might happen sadly. You can never assume everything, but the best part is keep them safe always. Do the hard procedure for them to be safe. Cord them when you put them outside. Make sure they are separated by fence, my friend. That's a sad story for me. So we will eat now. We will eat later after I do the vlog. The half cook banana maruya. Ano ba ito? Tinabog-tabog, ginamos, kung ano bang tawag doon. Ayun. So half cook siya. Inuto ni Mrs. ba. So we'll go now to the cording area. This is where the direct sun hits the yard. So you see, one of the best for this year, one of the best weather I have experienced from this year is this. So a little windy and a clear sky, very hot sky. So I explained to you that on the high part of my area is not been hit by the sun. This one is heated. So you see, they go down, my friend, because the high part is directly heated by sun. Too much sun, my friend, is not good for rooster. They used to like that, no, but now they go down, my friend. Yeah, time for them to scratch. It's still hot, but they used to hide from the the shadow, my friend. So this is my area when it's hot. So maybe later, my friend, I will always gonna be taking a bath every week, almost every 2 days maybe. This one is not heated by the sun, so he stays up, my friend. He stays up. Yeah, this is my update of rooster. So thank you again, my friend. Thank you for the again, my friend, for reaching out to me, watching my videos, and this little maybe nonsense updates, my friend, for my roosters backyard is sharing stories, experiences, viewing my roosters. This is it. Thank you, and hopefully, my friend, you're always in a good health, and take care of yourself again. Always happy Tuesday, my friend.